3, 2, 1.
This is the Amanpulo hangar and Pasay. It was still November 2021. There was still a medical check first. So excited! This is our honeymoon after many months. Trying on a cheap selfie stick I got. There are complimentary snacks at the lounge. And eventually we were able to go inside the air-conditioned lounge. They gave out complimentary hygiene kits. Akala ko ba honeymoon? Bakit may baong switch? Time to board! I'm so excited but I'm still in a meeting at the time. Pang Miss Universe yung plane. Bye for now, Manila! After 1 hour, here we are! Upon landing, we were welcomed by our own golf carts and the Amanpulo staff. She told us we can remove our masks already, but we were not sure we could, and we weren't used to, and she brought us around first. She said this is the mandatory Amanpulo pose, and this is our casita, home for the next 4 days. Room tour. It's very spacious. Let's go to the balcony first. There you go. Our casita has a breathtaking view of the beach, the sky, and the greens. Back inside, there's our welcome letter. Snackies. And we're now going to the bathroom or to the walk-in closet. It has a shower, a tub, a wash area. This can be open if you want to see the greeneries. So now we're ready to explore the beach. This is our own private access to the beach. Hi, ang sarap. It felt so good not to wear masks and to just be alone with nature and my lovey. At this time, we're already so burnt out from all the hospital work. We just enjoyed breathing fresh air and hearing the waves. So we just stayed here and nagpagabi na kami dito relaxing. Now going to dinner at this very cute golf cart. So, we're driving. We're going to drive to our
Driving in the evening.
to our dinner place. For the first night, we chose Nami, and this is one of the things we ordered. I wasn't able to take a photo of the other. Walked around after. Relaxing. Upon getting back, our bed has been turned down. Rise and shine, day 2 in Amanpulo. Driving to our breakfast place. So for breakfast, you're offered appetizer, main course, a cold drink, a hot drink, and it's actually pretty heavy. If you're not a breakfast person, this can actually brunch, extending to lunch. Look at this beauty. Their straws are made of a plant. Okay, so hindi kami umabot sa free snorkeling. So we just went around and explored the area more. They're nice pool. We're just exploring. Here's our bag. You can ask them to bring you bicycles, so it's not just a golf cart that you can use. Explore the island. Time to swim. Posing muna. There's no one in sight. This is what we super love about Amanpulo. Powdery white sand, blue skies, beautiful sea, and you really don't see a lot of people. More exploring. The manager showed us this 4-bedroom villa with its private pool and private butler. And we see our friend, the monitor lizard. They said that the way we have a lot of stray cats and dogs in Manila, they have a lot of these lizards just passing by, crossing the streets, and some are really as big as this. So cute. I think we saw about 10 lizards that day. We drove to the landing site and here's a very small monitor lizard, so it's faster. Nakakatuwa siya. Bye! Okay, we headed back for siesta and saw these refilled. It's a video! So we're walking to the edge of the island to see the baby sharks. I was listening Britney Spears here, so couldn't help it. Finally saw one. Check it out. It's a baby shark. Just keep your eyes on the screen and you'll see it. There it is. Of course, we went kayaking. This is a free activity in Amanpulo. We brought our own poi. And wala lang, it's nice to do it again after many years. It's hubby who apparently knows how to do it. For dinner, we went to the main clubhouse. This is the octopus appetizer, super delicious. Crispy pata. I forgot what this was. Thank you, Amanpulo. It's our long overdue honeymoon. The famous Amanpulo gin and the manager. Thank you. Stay tuned for our next video, days 3 and 4. Subscribe now.